yes, guys, we're waiting for the bus and the bus, isn't it? Right? Come on. Yeah. Aye. The bus don't know, guys, if you can see that. Yes. And it's 9:37 the bus is due. So yeah, 9:37 the bus is due, guys. And we got this penis driving like a penis. Yeah man, you speed motherfucker! Yeah, speeding. With an unsecure low by the looks of things on the top of his roof. But yeah. What a dickhead. He was doing about 30, 40, well, about 40 miles an hour down the road. If I had just stood out then, he would have killed me, put it that way. So, yes, guys. He's an absolute penis on the west side, you know what I mean? Absolute dick shite, bro. He seems like he was sticking to the tree, but there's a lot of young. Definitely doing 20 mile an hour, this cunt. Nuts. So yeah, speeding man. Let's try and get some footage of this lawnmower.